So today we're going to be upgrading our CPU from a 6-core CPU to an 8-core CPU. And the first step to repairing your computer or going inside the computer case every time is to make sure the computer is unplugged, which it is, and then hold this power button down for 30 seconds to discharge any type of power that might be left inside of the computer. And after we're done with that, we can take the computer off of the desk. We're going to access the case, this clear access panel, where the panel has been removed. To access the CPU, we're going to have to take the CPU cooler off. You can pause it a second. Over the CPU cooler, we just had to push down on this tab and then slide the CPU cooler forward across the processor and remove it off the top. CPU, obviously this is going to need cleaned and repaste it. No.
There'll be 3 triangle cutouts and one that's not, so that you know what that fourth side looks like.
Right.
I believe so.
Alright, so I will get this on film. Are you filming?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to put this, the side with the copper, you can see the little copper earmark. That goes right here. So the CPU
should just drop in.
should drop in like this. And you want to make sure it drops in incredibly easy, because this is an AMD CPU with a bunch of little prongs on it that can get bent super easily. So we're going to take this old one and put it on this piece of styrofoam real quick. This is still going to take this, and we're going to lock the CPU into place. And now we're going to clean some of the internal components of the computer, because you can see this is really dirty down here. This is also quite dirty. And we're going to have to remove the bottom, all the CPU thermal paste off the bottom of this before we can continue. We ready? So now we're applying the thermal paste to the CPU. And you just got to put a good little dot right in the middle. And then that's plenty. And when you install the heatsink, it'll spread the thermal paste out from the center. This heatsink goes in like so. Now pause it, Caitlin. See, the CPU has been installed properly now, and the computer is back to running order. And we even have it recognized inside of Task Manager. You go under the Performance tab and select CPU. You can see it says now AMD FX 8-core 8350 8-core processor, and you can see the utilization of each 8 of the cores.